Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully, and this is only for educational, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So first let's move on to SGX Nifty, and before that, yesterday I shared my detailed analysis correlating to that US 30 and S&P 500 with Nifty and SGX Nifty, what we are doing regularly. So that is a 24-hour market. So we are doing only this, and then it will be converted into the Nifty also. So in that, yesterday I already did one video. So just have a look there and view this one. My target was, and it invalidated my 14,400, sorry, 16,400. Now anyway I'm expecting one more up and one more down. So this again may retested this zone, 15,600 zone may retested. Later onwards it will try to trap all the retailers in the buy zone, and later onwards I'm expecting. So yesterday what we discussed about that, in the Nifty it's nearly 15,600 may retested, right? So today the low was 15,700, it's almost there, and it is a gap down. And if you look into that SGX Nifty, so my view is, as per that, I expected the one more up, like this kind of impulsive wave here, and this is the correction part, and one more impulsive like this may happen here. So the same length, or 786 to that this length, nearly 17,200 to 17,600 zone I'm expecting. So after that, this will become the connecting part for this impulsive way to the downside. One impulsive and one correction and one impulsive to the downside. So that was my target of some 14,200 what I'm expecting, and I have explained that in my video of yesterday's. So this is my bigger view, but here how we have to labeling this part is a little bit confused, right? I will explain you that. See, these are all my own view, and don't bias on this. And my invalidation is I already given that, and after this from here also I'm expecting to the upper side to reach my target of 20,500, but it failed. So be cautious, my view is also getting invalid, and don't bias on this. So this is only for educational according to the Elliott waves I'm explaining here. So this is the one how we have to label. So this is the one A or W, whatever you can make it this. If you place it this as a W, we need X, Y, Z, but we don't know about how the wave is doing here. So in that category, and this is the connecting wave, if we did like this, and somewhat this is looking like triangle as I said previous, and this is the one impulsive wave, and this is looking like again that impulsive wave. So this is a little bit confusions here, and I took it this as a triangle. Now what I think here, it's one is A, so this is the B, and this is the C what I thought. So this is a ABC, means from here I need one, and it is already dead. So for this could be the connecting wave, and this impulsive wave it did here. And if you measure this as a Fibonacci expansion level, it is 786. So this is that intermediate wave, it's become also that irregular flat formation here. So for this is the one, A, B and C is dead, Now for this impulsive wave, we can make it this as a blue color, and this is the one it's already did as per my view, and one more high to that 17,200, and this is the my 786, and one more, it could be 17,600. This is the wave 1 length of this wave. Fibonacci retracement, so expansion, 786 is 17,200 and 17,600 is the wave 1 length. So after this, if it reached here, maybe like such a kind, and later onwards this will become the connecting wave, and for this impulsive wave, this is correction and one impulsive wave to the correction, and here to reach that 14,200 or to 14,000, this zone has to reach. So this is my view for that, daily or weekly, whatever you can measure that. And this is the wave 1, 2, 3, and beyond that wave 4. So whether, and I have already explained that in that Nifty, it's entirely different part. 1 second. Yeah, in the Nifty, and I changed that label also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already completed. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and we are in that 4, and I already did explained very well in that yesterday. So you go just through and watch that, and you can understand my view why I'm assuming that 14,200. See, this is one is may or may not. This can happen or not, I don't know, because once the Russia and Ukraine war stops, it can shoot from here, and then I will change my wave count. Simple. Changing the wave count is not that much tough. We can label it as this is a B, C, and it's already did. But if you look into that hourly and 4 hour, you may get confused. And if you look in the daily, just hide all my drawings. It looks like A, okay, somewhat B, and C is already did. Like that we can label. But if you look into that, if the Russia and Ukraine is still that a crisis is going on, again it may do like this, what I did in the 14,200. What I'm expecting is 14,400 to 14,200. But if immediately the fundamental something happen and the war stops, means from here it can go above the high also, and then again we can change. That is why my disclaimer is, according to the price action, I am changing the wave counts. Don't bias on my wave counts. We have to change each and every price action according to that. We have to change the label, and you need to understand where we are. That is why the past 2 days I work for this Nifty, and then only I got some ideas, some input informations. That is why I shared yesterday with correlation with S&P 500 and US 30. So you go through that and then you come to know about this. So tomorrow maybe a gap up. So it is SGX Nifty is trading around the 16,000 so far, and suddenly something happens and it may gap down also. As of now, if it is moving like this, the Nifty may be gap up open, or else this is a weekly chart. So then if you move into the daily, and in the Nifty, it's daily, it's looking like a doji and the gap down doji, and if it is a gap up, so then that is a bullish price action. What I'm expecting, like this kind of price action may occur here for that 17,200 to 17,600 is my target for the shorter term. Then let's have a look the structure. If it is doing like what I'm expecting, it can do again what I'm expecting to the 14,200 also. So let's wait for this, and this is my this whole week. I think I may or may not again updated my pre-market. So this could be that this week whole week analysis also. You can make it this as a whole week analysis to reach my target of 17,200 to 17,600. So hope you enjoyed my video. So thanks a lot for watching, sharing and liking, and we will see you whenever I have found a time. Thanks a lot. Bye.